Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a picture into another picture in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert picture into another picture. Firstly, insert a picture. Go to the home menu, then click the picture option. Then choose picture from our file. Now I select a picture and click insert. Now we can see we insert a picture. Now we want to insert another picture into this picture. Go to again the home menu. Then click the picture option and choose another picture. Then click insert. Then resize the picture and set this picture in the first picture. Now we can see we insert a picture into another picture, this publisher document, very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.